Hello friends, welcome to Hari's Educational Academy. In this class, we are going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. This tense shows an action which had been running from certain time to time only in the past. Simply say it is the past running action between two times only in the past. The structure of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, he had been attending the party. In this tense, had been is taken as helping verb. From, to, between and should be taken before the two times if certain action was completed in the past. Until, till, up to should be taken before subject plus V2 plus object. Let us see some examples. I had been taking coaching for an IAS in Hyderabad from January to July last year. This sentence tells us the action was running certain time to certain time in the past. In the second example, we had been discussing the important topic with the collector between 10 am and 12 am. This sentence also tells us the action was running from a certain time to certain time in the past. Third example is she had been writing competitive examination till she got a job. Fourth sentence is they had been conducting the program till some robbers attacked on them. These last 3 and 4 examples also tells us the action was running at certain time in the past till another action was happened. Negative sentence. The following two types of negative sentence patterns are taken in this tense. They are: first structure is subject plus hadn't plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, they had not been trying for a government job till they go 30 years of age. Second structure is negative word plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, no student had been participating in the program from 1st to 10th of this month. Interrogative sentence. The following 5 types of questions are taken in this tense. They are had plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, had you been taken a coaching? Second structure is hadn't plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, hadn't she been completed the syllabus? Third structure is WH word plus had plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, where had you been taken a coaching? Fourth structure is WH word who is taken here plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, who had been given you 5 lakh rupees. Fifth structure is y plus hadn't plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, why hadn't she been completed the syllabus? Let us practice some examples. First sentence is Mary dash read the book between 10 am to 12 pm yesterday. This sentence tells us the action was running from certain time to certain time in the past. So we have to complete the sentence with the help of past perfect continuous tense. The answer is Mary had been reading the book between 10 am to 12 pm yesterday. Hope all of you understood about past perfect continuous tense. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.